Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to share Google Pages, browsers, links or anything similar to WhatsApp, Instagram or any other platforms. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Start with directly going to the Google Chrome. From here, go to the page that you want to send. Just choose one picture and after that, just ignore this. After seeing that one picture, click on the three dots at the top right. Click on share. From this option, you can share with all the apps available. Now go back and for the second option, just click on the share icon at the top right left and you can share again. Now one more method is by copying this link. Just click on the clipboard. After copying this link, you can directly go to the app that you want to share it from. I'll go to Instagram. After the app gets loaded, just go to the messages part. From the messages, click on the person you want to send it to. Ignore this. Paste the link and just send it directly from here. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every single time we upload a new video for you.